And we're back once again. New location, beautiful BC out here in the wilderness. We're cooking on a campfire. We're making something delicious here, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's what you need: half an onion, you need a potato, a little bit of cheese, you need a fire, some aluminum foil, and an egg. So, build yourself a little platform out of some of the onions. Nice little base, because those are going to cook first, and you want those onion juices to boil right up into these beauties right here. You get the thicker boys, the thicker potatoes that you've got, put them on top. Those guys, those are the bottom layer. And then intermediate layers of cheese. And keep on stacking. And if you still got some thick ones left over, put them on the top here, because we're flipping it over and it's the bottom again. Okay, at this point, if you've forgotten any cheese, try to slide it in there. Don't put it on the top, because it's just going to disappear. Squeeze it in. Build your bowl. Just a little bit, about a half bowl. Fill in with the rest of the onions. And you'll see I cut almost everything up beforehand in these fancy different ways. Fun little styles, but you can cut them up however you like them, however you want them, because overall it only affects the cook time, and if you're willing to put in the time, you can chuck up big chunks of everything, wrap it all up, and toss it in the fire and forget about it for a little bit. Kick it around, and it'll be just fine. But I want a faster cook, so I chopped everything up a little bit fancier, and I want to play around with it in the fire, so I want to have an excuse to flip it once in a while. Once you got your bowl, last things last, egg in. And close it up. Shake it all about. And now I can throw these right in the fire, but I've got a cheeky little trick. I'll show you. Ta-da! It's a fish cooker. But it's perfect for cooking basically anything you want to grill on a fire. So, stick them in like so. Close it. Clamp it. And if you're scared about this popping open and you're losing your delicious little bundles of goodness, you can stick a little stick in here. So I'm gonna look around and put one in there, but throw that on and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Hoo-wee. That's those guys. Okay, careful with the metal. It is very hot. Just came out of the fire. But boom. Let's open these boys up. Have a look and see what we got. Oh, yeah. And there you go, an easy campfire dinner for two. Woo! Oh, that's hot. Today's the day. Cook yourself a nice meal out in the woods. Thanks for watching, guys.